hallelujah, praise be the Lord, and Mary Magdalene. Yes, this is the multiform misanthropist once again for you, baby. It's Sunday 12 January 8:12. It's Sunday 12 January 8:12 a.m. We speak directly from Brazil, state of São Paulo, South America, the American continent. Planet Earth, the solar system. Yes, the periphery of the Milky Way galaxy, the ghetto of the universe. Yes. Um, I don't know why. I try to understand. I ask myself this question: why I'm still spending time on Facebook? Like last year I deleted my Instagram because Instagram is like it's shit. Like Instagram is a shitty social network. So I deleted my Instagram. I deleted my LinkedIn. Don't like that too either. And I don't I don't use WhatsApp. Like I have no cell phone at the present moment. All that I use is my YouTube for watching videos and making videos and having fun. It's a hobby. It's a hobby. I have been making videos on YouTube since 2006. Actually, the end of 2006 when I was in Boston. I think it's fun. It's a way to express your thoughts and opinions about so many things. And so YouTube is one that I use, and Facebook. But Facebook is like Facebook is beginning to lose its meaning for me, man. I don't know. I guess the main reason why I'm still using Facebook it's because I may type and I like to type sometimes to express myself instead speaking and recording. I like to type words, sometimes place a image, a picture, and Facebook is also good for maybe you know following like people that you like, which is rare in my case. Like, but I remember the fourth movie, the fourth movie of the Matrix Resurrections, when the Merovingian, he's in the warehouse and he's speaking to Neo and he goes like, um, "You ruined our lives. Everything was so much better. Books was so much better. Uh, books, information. We had style. We had conversation. Not this beep 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 beep." And then he goes like, "All you gave us was like." Uh, uh, how he goes? He goes like, "All you gave was like sucker balls, Zuckerberg, something like that, and Wicca shit that only talks about weather." Yeah, And sometimes I think the internet also is losing its meaning, man. I believe so. I believe, I don't know when, I'm not a, like an oracle from the future, for the future. But the internet's beginning to lose its meaning, but people use the internet for making money, for contacting other people, to work at 8:18 a.m. People use social media networks for business. But if those things that Elon Musk has talking about, that implanting a chip inside our brains, so we may be connected, maybe a new type of network where we will have all access to information, entertainment, sex, pleasure, and yes, because people get scared. Oh, that's a fulfilling of the prophecy of the Bible. But then when people start using it and having the reward, I guess those nano chips, which will be implanted in our brains to give us access to this new type of network and all the information, is gonna also release dopamine in our brain, gives us the reward feeling, the reward sensation, and people when will get addicted to it, because they will do something that get people addicted to. If it's gonna be good or bad, maybe I don't know how that could be. If the state's gonna regulate that. But the internet, I feel the internet's becoming overrated and totally like out of date. I would say out of date. Actually, the way people, man, we came to a point where people, especially the Brazilian people, they they take pictures of what they are eating and post on social media networks. You know, it's like you are having a macaroni with meatballs, and you go take a picture, post it, and say something. Oh, this is my dinner, so delicious. Man, we are becoming stupid. Yeah. Now with Google, like Google engine gave people the opportunity to search, right? To search. Some people like to say that we live in the era of information. Yeah, information. What is information, man? What is information? There is also the bullshit information, the fake information, the meaningless information, the wrong information. So the way you use Google to search is gonna dictate what your results will be, but also what makes you research what you research is what your level of education is, you know. So the internet, at the same time, the internet gives us information and knowledge and communication. It also makes us dumb, you know. Some people don't read books anymore, serious books, because a book, when it's good, it was well written because it was well thought, concise, precision in the paragraphs. So people prefer to go to their cell phones or computers and enter into Google and type like, "Oh, tell me, tell me, for example, the symptoms of any type of illness, any type of disease. Tell me, how should I proceed about my illness? You know, and people like from the old times, like Newton, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, all those great men in history, they were inventors, they were theoretical physicists, they were mathematicians. They studied a lot. They put a hard work to make their discoveries. In their times, there was no Google, there was no cell phone, computer, you see, no social media networks, and they were much, much more intelligent, or I would say even genius, compared to our dumbness. So, are we in the era of information? Is the era of information making us dumb? Because first, we don't know how to search for the information, and second, because all the information available, 80% scrap. You know, we are being deluded, thinking that we have all the information available, and people don't reason anymore because they like everything they read on their phone screens or computer screens are taken by them like as true. you know I don't know, man. Yeah. So the only two social media networks I use is YouTube, which I like it for the reasons I explained. And Facebook is like, if I should delete Facebook, which I'm starting to think that I should, it's not gonna take more than 3 or 4 years, maybe less, you know, maybe less. And the internet, should be replaced by something better, man. Should be replaced by something better, which gives us access to real information and pleasure of dopamine reward, you know, and you choose the privacy you have to contact people you want to contact. Ideally, this nano chip technology should be like a nano quantum computer inside our brains, which would give us also the power of telepathy. Telepathy? Yeah, that would be interesting. But telepathy, like with privacy to receive income messages. Like, for example, all of us have the nano microchip, so we have a quantum access to information, and we have the power of telepathy. But for example, I want to send a thought to someone over in Japan. If the person says, no, I don't want to talk to you, the person has a total privacy to block my thoughts, you know, or maybe receiving it, but choosing when to see or hear or get acknowledged by the thought I sent. So yeah, we are in the technological era, I should say. But who dominates over technology, man? Are the big ones, man? Are the big guys in the world? Maybe they want us to be stupid. Maybe that's what they want. They want us to spend money with cell phones and computers and be on social network media and search on Google and get entertained and laugh and be misinformed. Because if we are misinformed, they have total control over us. That's the system. That's the Matrix, man. Matrix 5. Yes, Drew Goddard. We are waiting for Matrix 5.